What are you doing?
Making a video. It's been...
Roxy! Roxy! Shut up, motherfucker. Oh, shit. You know this is. Shit. Oh my God. Get down! Get down! He's like, shit, what do I do?
Come here! Come here!
Justin! Hold on. What? Why are you She's like, what do I do? She hasn't moved. She's sweating. She's scared. Someone in the bathroom?
Well, so, my brother playing with my dog, so show you who's in this room. This room. My mom.
Oh, nigga! Oh, nigga!
That room right there is my brother Justin. This room is my brother's, and then this is chunky closet. Then this. This. This door. This. This. Is
What?
is the bathroom. Let's go in my room, okay? All of us have clean rooms. My bed is messy though. Okay, so I'm just in here making a video because I'm bored. Took a lot of minutes because my stupid brother, which I have to remake that. My stupid brother was playing with the dog, so let me put this back. Now I'm gonna be in my bedroom. I'll bring my TV up here. Anyways, this is about... So let me move all this crap out of the flipping way. Got crap up on my bed. Ew. I don't think I'm gonna sit here. Because it's all nasty. Ew, that's gross. Hold on. Okay, so this chair is really poking me. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this. This is Roxy's. It says pets, pet, and there was only okay, so come here, Auntie. Ew, what's on your mouth? And then I can't press that button. Press this button right here and look. And it increases out here. Hold on. Inside that, and then you press this button. There's that, which the dog doesn't like using. This. I'm gonna cut you. I'm gonna throw those away. Like forever ago. No. 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 In a couple of minutes, I'm gonna bring in my TV and I'm gonna take everything out of there. Wow, almost fell. See, look what's in here. See, there's a cord right there. I'm gonna take that. Like, I'm moving that downstairs, and I'm gonna take all this stuff out, which is just a purse, normal purse. And inside this purse is, these are my mom's stuff, just to let you know. Now I don't know why they're in my bedroom. Well, I do, but yeah, it's a long story. So, get these little flip-flops and get them. Never been worn. This says 9 through 10. My mom got this stuff from work from a friend because she won all this stuff. 9. Let's see. And look. I don't think I'm talking loud enough, so I'm going to start talking like this. Size 9 to 10, and I get 50s. Yes, they're like this much left. But give it them. My mom just went downstairs if you're wondering. Then the string bag. I don't think she got the belt. I don't know if she got the belt. Let me take all this stuff out. Hold on. This bag she got. It's a nice little green see-through bag. It was $14.95. And yeah, and it says stuff on it. And then right here is just a little button. And then that, and you snap it together and put something in there, and it's just a little baggie. And what was inside that baggie was this cute belt. My mom probably doesn't even know she had these. It's just like this. And then this belt. My mom comes up on me, oh mom. And then see if it was her. And then she got this lovely, cool, clear water bottle. It feels like there's something in there, but there's not. If you had one of these, it's amazing, isn't it? Which you unscrew the top, and look, you put this part in the freezer, and then this part has water in it. If you can't see, it has water in it. You put it up in the freezer, and then this ice is actually ice. Well, it's some sort of stuff that you put in the freezer, and it goes and makes the water go. I don't know what my dog is doing. And then she got this says thank you. Enjoy your vacation. Have a happy nursery. I don't know what this is. But if you know what that says, tell me. I can't read cursive. I know that says enjoy your vacation. What does that say? And what does that say? Happy. I know this is happy. What does that say? And what does that say? You know what those say, please tell me. And if you don't, I'm sorry. But there's something in here that's mine that I've been looking for all over it. And I finally found it. When I lose the games, I found it. I found it. But this hanger. And then what's mine in here, which has no game in it. It's this. It's the Loopster. I haven't played with this for long. It doesn't even turn on, see? Wait, it turns on. Well, I'm gonna make part 2.